Hi Team 61, my name is Irini Nikitaras and I've just woken up to a beautiful day here in Hobart, Tasmania. I was born and raised here and was fortunate to grow up in a family business. My parents started off with a tiny little corner shop, so you'd often find me on the till chatting away to customers or rollerblading outside the front like a little terror. So it was a really beautiful environment to grow up in, as you guys can imagine. As I got older, I decided I wanted to spread my wings a little bit and I moved to Melbourne to study finance and economics, where I met my now husband, Joseph. We have been married for just over a year now, and we were lucky enough to celebrate our wedding in Greece with all of our family and friends. So it can only really be described as my big fat Greek wedding if you've seen the film, but it was great. To go back to work experience a little bit more, after uni, I was craving a career that was a little bit more practical than the finance and economic theory that I'd learned. So I landed myself a job in supply chain. And since then, I've worked across forecasting, purchasing, system implementation, project management, warehouse and transport. So it's been a really amazing experience. More recently though, I've decided to return back to the family business. They've been fortunate, I've been lucky enough that they've opened the doors for me, and which has now grown with the help of not just my parents but my uncle and auntie and the awesome management team at Hill Street, from a tiny little corner shop to 10 stores in the state of Tasmania. And I have come on board to look at how we can improve or drive efficiencies in our logistics operation and streamline the way we work with our suppliers a little bit more. I am so excited for this lean trip. Very early in my career, I was exposed to the principles of lean and got to work with some real lean experts. So for me, it's really embedded a continuous improvement mindset. I completed my green belt in Lean Six Sigma earlier this year, and I just cannot wait to go to Japan and see all of that theory in practice from the place that it came from. Excited to meet you all and can't wait.